Hey, you guys are up. That's great.
We are? It is?
Sure. I remember it used to take a neutron bomb to get you out of bed.
It still does. I thought that's what went off out here.
Oh, you're going to catch pneumonia standing there, Mum.
Oh, I think I've already caught it. I hope I'm not coming down with anything. I can't afford to take any more time off work.
Yeah, if you're not feeling 100 plus, you shouldn't be up so early. Take it back to bed, Dad. I'll go wake up Josh. Don't be long.
I guess I'd better go get changed.
Brad's back.
Yes.
Maybe that's why they let him out of jail. The guards were probably desperate to get some sleep.
Oh, no, Doug, I can't joke about it. The thought of him spending all that time in that hideous place.
I know. It's all over now. It's all over.
Oh, I've been phoning around everywhere looking for you two.
Oh, we were just casing the old neighbourhood.
What's wrong?
Brad, have you been ill lately?
Ill?
Oh, you know, a cold or a flu, anything like that.
Well, yeah. I had a bout of something that really flattened me the first week or two in jail, but fine now. Why?
I think we've identified the carrier.
What carrier?
Yeah, all right if I come in?
No, just go away.
Why, what have I done?
It's too late, love. He was here for an hour this afternoon. If we've got something, he's probably already caught it.
Oh, that's right, so he was.
Caught what?
The Bargy flu. Because I don't want anyone leaving here until this thing has run its course.
Hang on, does that mean I'm stuck here?
I'm afraid so.
So where'd you find it?
In with the alpacas. Silly thing got herself caught in the fence. Come here.
Go on, have a drink. Hey.
Hey.
You look terrible. I've got a cold. What were you doing in the cellar?
Nothing.
I'm so sorry I'm late.
I should have called. I've got Charlotte's head cold. I don't think I'll be much fun tonight. I'm sorry.
You okay?
I hate colds.
I'll take a rain check. Okay. See ya.
You don't have to tell me, but if you want to, that'd be great because I am dying to know. So, how's it going?
Rotten.
But you guys are meant to be.
Not that, the flu. It's getting worse. Fraser is a gentleman. He knows I can't breathe properly.
You've so got pash rash.
No, I don't. I've been blowing my nose all night. I feel terrible.
Then go back to bed.
Has anyone seen my keys?
You're not going to work.
No rest for the wicked.
The only work you're doing today is getting healthy.
But I've got stuff to...
Give in. Born?
No, but soon enough.
Sorry.
Hey, so what do you think her chances are?
Not great. Look, Paul has witnesses to both of the assaults, and he says in his statement that you have threatened him before.
He was probably just winding you up.
Oh!
Lou, I'm so sorry.
Oh, that's okay. It's all part of the job.
So what's your best advice?
Look, Paul's case is watertight, but he's not unreasonable.
Ha!
You could try and be humble.
Au contraire, mon frère. You see, Miss Steiger has got eyes for yours truly only. Oh, a demonstration, perhaps. It can be a blessing or a curse, I don't know.
Are you all right? I'm fine. Sorry, what were you saying?
Stirred, not shaken. You, on the other hand, look a little of both. Why don't you come in? Oh, dear, let's get you out of those wet clothes, eh?
I'll have a takeaway latte.
Okay, but I just need to go and get some more milk.
Yeah, sure. Take your time, honey.
No, well, Harry did the dusting yesterday.
There was dust, and I won't even get started on the bathroom. Bless you.
Ugh. Look, it's alright. I'll duck down to the store, I'll pick up something for dinner, and I'll get Tony to pick up Sophie from there.
Well, let me show pizza.
Sophie's off pizza.
Yeah, no, it's alright. I can sort it out.
Bless you.
Oh, yuck. I must have caught Sophie's cold.
Sure, to unpack everything at home, mate.
Do you want a milkshake to go instead?
No, thank you.
Oh, you got a cold too? Oh, yeah, no thanks to Sophie.
Go on, drink up.
Well, I don't feel any different.
See?
No, wait. She hasn't sneezed yet.
I don't believe
Wow.
Bless you. I've organised the tickets. Stalls, front row centre. They had a cancellation. The critics say it's very funny. I think we could both do with a laugh. Oh, I see. You can't even stand me touching you now, is that it?
Oh, Stephen, don't start again. I was hoping we could get through the evening without another argument.
Yeah, well, I don't want to argue either.
All right. I have been deliberately cool since Mumbai, and I've only made myself miserable in the process.
As long as you don't start putting up walls.
I won't. I want it to work as much as you.
You're not getting a cold, eh?
No, I don't think so. It's just been sneezy ever since we got back.
Must be
Thanks.
the rotten city air.
Oh, it must be. Gotta be popular at the theatre like this, aren't I?
Cat?
Oh, if it is, I know what's causing the problem.
Look at this.
I'm allergic to them.
Aren't you beautiful? It must belong to Jill.
Oh, take it away, darling. I shall have words with Jill and Wayne later.
Patricia, she reckons she's
No, Stephen, no. If I touch it, I'll be sneezing for the rest of the week. Right.
If you can keep her smiling like that, kiddo, you got yourself a job.
Maybe I should just jump before I'm pushed. Tim's keen to start a business. Con got a gig on the Sherbet reunion tour. Oh, I don't know what to do.
I don't know what to do either. About us. About...
I bought some condoms.
Oh. Relations, can I get your account details, please?
Egg. But madam, I'm not in India. I'm in Australia. Yeah, I promise you.
Take
I
a
know I
bloody
sound...
egg.
Hello.
Sorry. I had to sneeze. I can't suppress them. I had an aneurysm.
Why don't you go have one of those? He died.